Hello, future homeowners. What if I told you that your next home could actually help you to pay for itself? That's right. Today we are talking about one of the smartest ways to build wealth through real estate with an ADU or auxiliary dwelling unit. Hi, I'm Suma Sridhar, realtor and real estate broker in the Bay Area. So, what is an ADU? It's an extra living space like a backyard cottage, a converted garage, or even a basement apartment right on your property. A recent survey found that 24% of the agents say buyers are actively searching for homes with ADU because of the benefits like generating extra rental income, creating a flexible living space for aging parents or adult children. And here is why you should consider having one in your next home. Passive income potential. Imagine having a built-in rental unit that could generate minimum 1,500 to 2,500 per month. That is the extra cash to cover your mortgage or boost your savings. It can also be a room for family. Whether it is a space for aging parents, adult children or long-term guests, an ADU gives you privacy and flexibility while keeping loved ones close. And here is the best part. ADUs add huge value to your home. That means when it's time to sell, you will be cashing in on a smart investment that pays off big time. And as always, do your research because some cities offer grants, low interest loans, or relaxed zoning laws to encourage ADU construction. So, if you are thinking about buying a home this spring, why not get one that pays you back? Let us find your perfect property with an ADU or one that is perfect for adding one. So you can have your dream home as well as the opportunity to generate additional income or provide space for the family. Reach out to my team and I today to get you started on your search today. Once again, this is Suma Sridhar, realtor and real estate broker in the Bay Area with the tradition of excellence and integrity. I love what you do and people love what I do. Thanks for watching and have a great day.